Welcome to this beautifully maintained home in the highly desirable Southwest Allen County School District. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home boasts nearly 1,700 square feet and features a very efficient open floor plan. Entering the home, the bright and open space invites you inside. The flow of the living room, kitchen, and dining area is perfect for entertaining and never missing out on what's happening. The kitchen features a 10-foot island with breakfast bar, the stools that will stay, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and modern stainless steel appliances and fixtures. Dark cabinetry found in the kitchen and bathrooms contrasts nicely with the light features of the flooring and trim. A bonus room allows extra space to be used as an office or playroom. The private master suite includes a spacious master bath with double vanity, walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. Multiple closets and pantry provide ample storage options for this home. Heading outside, the backyard has a concrete patio and a beautiful metal decorative fence. Schedule your showing quickly and move into a new home just in time for summer. Call Patrick Irick today.